How was that guy this morning?
Yeah.
In the venue.
He was all good, eh? He was fine. It was just the ladies that.
Oh, there is.
It was just the women that were. I stream offline. Nadie. Like a sexual type?
Grab that back.
Oh, sorry, James.
If I can, malfunctions.
I can't imagine the church. I was going to be like,
Show me things I've never seen.
Because you know that's a roundabout. The car park's right there. I'm just thinking we should just go.
But I want to hear witness.
What's up?
You can take what's wrong, make it
Oh my goodness. Are we taking what?
yeah, you can take all everything.
days start shine down on me. Let your love shine through. I see a world that's dying, polluted by the master of this groping in the darkness,
Oh, don't need a little
haunted by years of past
This one.
Then I see you standing near me, shining with compassion in your eyes. Oh, in your eyes. Oh, they start shine down on
No, you're just taking it to the car.
Oh.
let your love shine
Perfect.
Lead me, Lord, I'll follow. Anywhere you open up the door. Let me know your wisdom. Show me things I've never seen.
He was 20 when Mom was born.
Lord, I want to be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it. Oh, day stars shine down on me. Let your love shine through. Jesus shine down on me.
These just gone to the back.
Let your love shine through.
Okay, next photo.
Uncle,
Hey, Cowan.
ready to go?
Yes.
Okay,
We'll get them.
I'll get the bush. Just ready.
Whatever my love, you have taught me to say. It is well with my soul.
DJ, can you help them with the gears?
Trials should come. Let this blessed assurance
Can you take these outside?
that Christ has regarded my helpless estate and hath shed his own blood for my
Green. It doesn't go in this house.
As I come into your presence, past the gates of praise, into your sanctuary, we're standing face to face. I look upon your countenance, I see the fullness of your holy grace. I can only bow down and see. You're awesome in this place. You are awesome in this
Yes.
El maicillo de Calicia, la barca. Sí, sí, muy I think Paul's enough, man.
I see the fullness of your holy grace. Bow down and say, you are awesome in this place, mighty God. Jesus, you are awesome in this place.
Este fue una especie.
Just grab the other side, mate. This side, just like that.
Yep. Right. That's good? Yep. Yeah. There's no one missed up.